Welcome to my second video of the Poly English hiring process. And congratulations if you reach this video, congratulations. And I know you did well on step one. So I will be sharing to you on how to do the device test. And I will be sharing to you what are the important things to have when you do the device test. Yeah, so first things first, in doing the device test, I believe you have received an email from Poly English that has the link for the Poly English application, and you need to download that on your laptop. So for the device test, you need to have these four. Yes, there are some teachers who are asking if pwede po ba yung tablet or yung phone or let's say yung iPad. Unfortunately, hindi po pwede, laptop lang po or personal computer ang allowed dito sa Poly English. The reason for that, it's because yung Poly English application, it has a large amount of storage. So, hindi po yun kaya ng mobile phone or ng tablet. Yes po. And even if you download the application on your tablet or on your mobile phone, hindi po siya yung application is hindi po siya magra-run or let's say it's not supported. Yes. So you need to have your laptop or your personal computer when you do the device test. So in doing the device test, you need to have wired internet or yung sinasabi nating naka-LAN cable yung laptop niyo sa Wi-Fi. Yes, you need to have your LAN cable and hindi po pwede yung pocket Wi-Fi or yung wireless internet. So yes, kung hindi po kayo gagamit ng LAN cable, the system during the device test, the system will detect na you are not using a LAN cable or you are not using a wired internet connection. So I highly suggest before you do the device test, make sure na naka-connect na yung laptop nyo sa cable or doon sa LAN cable ng internet. Yes, so bawal po yung pocket Wi-Fi, bawal po yung wireless internet. So next po is you need to have your laptop or yung PC mo and it should have Intel Core i5 8th Gen or above CPU Windows computer. So the reason for this is as what I have mentioned, yung Poly English application is it has a large amount of megabytes or yung storage. So kailangan po talaga ng higher specs na laptop or PC. Because if you will be using a low specs of laptop or PC, hindi po kayo papasa sa device test and maglalag po yung application doon sa laptop that has low specs. And next is you need to have noise cancelling headset with microphone. This one with microphone. And hindi po pwede yung earphones, yung pang music, yung maliit, or yung AirPods, or yung mga iPhone users dyan, or yung mga wireless earphones, hindi po yun pwede. Yes po. Because you need to test also your microphone during the device test, during the step two device test. And next is you need to have clear web camera, yung external web camera, or if you have internal web or yung naka-install na sa laptop mo, that's okay as provided na it's clear. Yung hindi po siya blur, yung kitang-kita po yung face niyo, yung background sa likod, it should be clear. So yes, the one that I'm using right now is A4 Tech 1080p, but if you have 720p webcam, that's okay as well, as long as it's clear at kitang-kita yung head to shoulder po ninyo and together with the background. And if putol po yung background, just move your table. Yeah, just move your table and make sure na kuwang-kuha po yung background ninyo. Yes. And speaking of background, during the device test, okay lang po na wala po munang ganito yung mga logo. Make sure lang na malinis po yung nasa likod po ninyo, malinis po yung background or white background. Just plain lang po. Make sure lang it's clean. It's okay lang po if wala pa po kayong Poly English logo. As long as makikita po kayo sa camera, that's okay. Make sure lang na walang dumadaan sa likod. Those are the important information that you need to have for the device test. So I will be sharing to you on how to do or on how to do the device test on your laptop or PC. Hello, hello, hello. So yes po teacher, that's how you do the device test. So once you're done with the device test, automatically po mag-show doon that you passed the device test, or saying na your laptop is okay for teaching in Poly English. So after that, you will be receiving another email that you passed the device test and you are now ready to have the step 3, which is the pronunciation test. So congratulations in passing the device test. I will see you on the next video, which is the step 3, the pronunciation test.